So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in system configuration. Click on it. And then once this comes up, you want to go to the boot tab and then select safe boot. And then click on OK. And then click on restart. It's now going to take us into safe mode. Wait for this to load. And now once you're on safe mode, you want to go to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And now once we're here, you want to expand universal serial bus controllers. You want to uninstall everything that says USB root hub and USB root hub 3.0. So just right click on USB root hub and then click on uninstall and then click on uninstall again. Don't worry, we're going to get it back. You want to scroll down. You want to uninstall all of them. USB root hub 3.0. Uninstall every single one that comes up. Right click, uninstall and then click on uninstall. And then once you uninstall all of them, we can now close out this. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in system configuration. Click on it. And now once you're on this, in the general tab, you want to select normal startup. And now you want to go to the boot tab. Make sure that you have safe boot unticked. You want to untick safe boot and then click on OK. Now you want to click on restart. It's now going to take you back into normal Windows and your USB drivers are going to automatically be reinstalled and then the problem should be fixed.